Hi, I'm Chris with Carnival Cruise Addicts, and this is episode 79 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. John Heald, Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, posts on his Facebook page where you can ask him questions. We read the questions. He answers the questions. We take the cool, the funny, the weird, and we put them here for you. So on today's episode, we're talking about Funship Freddy. Where'd he go? Journey cruises and platinum perks, bubbles, like the little floaty ones, SodaStream, and Carnival Kitchen. Question 1. Whatever happened to Funship Freddy? This cruiser hasn't seen him or the merchandise in quite some time. John said he's been retired, he's afraid. Many people miss him as well, but just not as many people, and probably don't and won't even know who he is because it's been a while. And at the moment, unfortunately, bye Freddy. There's no plans on bringing him back. Question 2. This cruiser's understanding that since they are on a Journeys cruise, they will be losing some of their platinum perks. They want to know if this will include the free laundry. John said that is not true. The only thing that may be possible will be the priority boarding, but despite what everyone is telling them, free laundry remains. Because you got to think about it, if you're on a Journeys cruise, this is normally people that have cruised extensively, so there are so many platinum and diamonds, they just can't allocate the space or the time to get them all on at once. So there you go. This cruiser wanted to know, are bubbles allowed? Not the Cheers package for non-alcoholic drinks, but more specifically bubble wand, so they can blow the big bubbles and stuff on the boat. John said he's afraid not. They can make the decks slippery because, they're soap. And there's environmental reasons too, where you don't want all the soapy chemicals going in, imagine a turtle floating around with a bubble on its head. It'll look just weird. But yes, if you like to blow bubbles, you can't do it on the boat. Speaking of if you like what you see and you enjoy cruising content, please like and subscribe. We would greatly appreciate it. Question 4. This cruiser wanted to ask about SodaStream. Basically, it's a contraption where you plug in a CO2 cartridge, put in your flavors, and it carbonizes water and makes different flavored sodas. They're guessing it probably won't be allowed because it does have a compressed gas canister that is required. No electricity, no cords, but a compressed gas cylinder. John said, you're right. Because it has a gas cylinder, it won't be allowed for safety reasons. So if it explodes or lets loose or flies around, I don't know. But that said, no SodaStream is allowed on a Carnival ship. Last question. This cruiser booked the Carnival Kitchen, which we have, and it is great. Do it. But they wanted to know if they needed to wear closed-toed shoes for safety reasons. And in the kitchen, John said no. But keep in mind, you will be using knives and other heavy, sharp instruments that if it falls down, at least you'll have some protection with a closed-toed shoe. Me personally, we've done it a couple times. I do absolutely wear them because I also think it's a little to have and basically a barefoot walking around the kitchen where you're making food. No thanks. Going with the closed-toed. Thanks for watching, everybody. That's been episode of 79 of Yakety-Yak. Please take care.